Hi guys, my name is Jacob.
Hi guys, my name is Jessica.
So welcome to week 3 of our level 2 training program. So for this week, we'll be doing 6 exercises, but we will be switching up some of the exercises to make sure that you guys are feeling challenged. Okay, so are you guys ready? Shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay, so for the first exercise, you need a mat. We'll be working on your abdominal muscles. You'll be performing a jackknife. So with your arms straight behind you, legs in the air. Okay. You'll be thinking of bringing your limbs together to make them in the center and to open them up. Okay, so you'll be focusing on your abdominal muscles. So at the same time, you want to make sure that your head, your chin is tucked down, your abs are fully engaged throughout the entire exercise. A total of 20 repetitions. Okay, that's 12, 8 more, 12, 14. Very good. And slow, 3 more. Bring your abs engaged, drop, 2 more. Last one. And okay, now done. Okay, so for the next exercise, we're performing a squat with a jump. Total of 20 times. Okay, 20 repetitions. So get down low into a squat before you jump up. That's 1 repetition. 9, 10. So notice what she's doing here. Squatting and jumping basically. Using your leg muscles to really push up as high as you can go. Okay, and that's it. Okay, good job. So for the next exercise, we'll be performing a push-up with a shoulder tap. So it's called a shoulder tap push-up. 15 repetitions. So you get into a push-up position. What you'll be doing is to perform a regular push-up. So once you're up here, perform a shoulder tap on each side. That's 1 repetition.
Tap 3. Tap 4. 5. 6. Focus on your chest muscle. 7. It's 8.
All the way down, all the way down, tap, tap.
9. 10.
Go back.
5 more to go. 11. Good. 12. Let's go. 13. 14. Your last one. 15.
Okay. For the next exercise, lunges with a jump. Okay, do a lunge position. Okay, from here, perform a jump for every repetition.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. So keeping your front leg working hard. Okay, 15 times before you switch over. Now she's working on your right leg.
6, 7, 8, 10.
Making sure that her front foot is on the ground at all times. Okay, well done. The next exercise. Okay, we need a chair. We'll be performing a chair dips. So this primarily works on your triceps. So with your hands, put it on the chair. If you don't have a steady chair like this, you can do it on the bed, it's fine. Legs will be straight. Knees will be slightly bent. Okay. Going all the way down, all the way up.
3.
Should you find this too challenging for you, feel free to bring your feet closer to your body. Something like this.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
the last exercise, a burpees with a in and out motion. So what you should be doing is back, legs apart, in and stand up. 15 repetitions in total. And jump, step, up, in, jump. 8, 9. Okay, 5 more to go. That's 2. Okay, well done. How are you?
Good.
Okay, so you should be feeling challenged by the end of the workout. Okay, so that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Right, so stay safe, take care.